Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to replace Cash App card. To replace your Cash App card, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you want to open the Cash app on your mobile device. After which, on the home screen, tap the card icon at the bottom to go to your card settings. As you could see the card icon here. When you go to the card section, and you just need to scroll down, tap on Cash Card Support, then select Report Card Issue. After which, you need to choose a reason for the replacement, such as lost, stolen, damaged, or information compromised, something like that. And once you've actually done it, so you want to confirm or update your mailing address for a delivery as well. And likewise, you could choose a card option, such as reporting, reordering existing, or designing a new card. Then select your shipping preferences, such as standard shipping that is free, while explicit options incur a fee as well. Then you could go ahead and enter in your Cash App PIN to confirm and place the order for your new card. And that is how you could replace Cash App card. And that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.